This short case study describes how Score Diagnostics Limited were able to help a customer quickly and easily identify which valves required to be repaired to meet the 10 CFR Appendix J LLRT requirements. The Appendix J statutory compliance testing programme for nuclear power plants sets a maximum allowable combined leak rate for isolating valves per each pressure boundary. The existing test methodology involves invasive actions, resulting in major production losses. It takes a considerable amount of time to complete and does not return a conclusive answer on which valves on the boundary need repaired. This tends to cause more repairs to be completed than are actually required, with longer downtime and higher repair costs than are necessary. A Score service engineer was dispatched to perform a valve condition monitoring survey using the MIDAS Meter leak detection and quantification tool, alongside the traditional LLRT test card. A total of 11 boundary valves were surveyed within 2 hours. Previously used procedures could take 2 or more days of testing to complete the same work scope. Of the 11 valves surveyed on the LLRT boundary, only one valve was found to be leaking and in need of repair. This resulted in major savings related to avoiding spares use and repair work on the remaining 10 good valves on the LLRT boundary, as well as reduced production losses relating to downtime of the nuclear power production plant at an estimated $2 million per day.